Astroscience, as we explore the mysteries of the universe using real images and footage. Have you ever pondered the secrets our sun holds? Today, using authentic visuals, we delve into the thrilling journey of Aditya L-1, India's maiden mission to study the sun. Initiated by the Indian Space Research Organization, this spacecraft, as shown in this real footage, is on its way to the L1 Lagrange point, a unique position in space where the sun can be continuously observed without any interruptions. This mission is not just about dispatching a satellite into space, it's about sending a sophisticated observatory to unveil the mysteries of the sun. As you can see in this actual footage, Aditya L-1, a sophisticated observatory with a mission, is on its way to unravel the secrets of the sun. Aditya L-1 is not just an ordinary satellite. It's a state-of-the-art observatory equipped with 7 scientific instruments, each serving a unique purpose. There's a coronagraph, a telescope that obscures the sun's bright disk, revealing the elusive corona, the sun's outer atmosphere. This will enable us to study solar flares and coronal mass ejections in unprecedented detail. Then we have 2 X-ray spectrometers, designed to measure the sun's high-energy radiation, helping us understand the intense heat of the corona. 2 particle analyzers will be examining the solar wind, a stream of charged particles the sun constantly emits into space. Rounding out the team is a magnetometer, a device that will measure variations in the sun's magnetic field. This is crucial because fluctuations in the magnetic field often precede solar storms that can potentially disrupt technology on Earth. As you can see in these original images with its array of tools, Aditya L-1 is set to illuminate our understanding of the sun and its dynamics. Our sun, the source of all life on Earth, is a dynamic object filled with mysteries. It's not just a glowing orb in the sky, but a complex structure of gas and plasma, constantly churning and changing. From its fiery core to its radiant corona, the sun is an enigma that scientists are still trying to fully understand. Inside the sun, at its very heart, is the core where nuclear fusion occurs. This process produces an incredible amount of energy, which gradually makes its way to the surface, or photosphere, giving us the sunlight that sustains life on Earth. Above the photosphere, we find the chromosphere and the corona, the outermost layer of the sun, extending millions of kilometers into space. Interestingly, the corona is much hotter than the surface of the sun, a mystery that continues to baffle scientists. The sun's activity isn't confined to its surface. It continuously emits a stream of charged particles known as the solar wind. This solar wind interacts with the Earth's magnetic field, creating stunning phenomena like the northern and southern lights. But the sun's influence doesn't stop there. The solar wind, along with solar flares and coronal mass ejections, can shape the very nature of space weather. Solar flares, sudden and violent eruptions on the sun, release vast amounts of energy and radiation. These eruptions, along with the slower-moving coronal mass ejections, can have significant impacts on Earth. They can disrupt satellite communications, interfere with GPS signals, damage power grids, and even pose risks to astronauts in space. This brings us to the importance of monitoring our sun. By studying solar activity, we can better understand these phenomena and potentially predict when they might occur. This knowledge could help us mitigate the impacts of solar weather on our technology and infrastructure and safeguard our astronauts. The sun's eruptions can have significant effects on our planet, making missions like Aditya L-1 crucial for our protection. With its suite of scientific instruments, Aditya L-1 is set to shed light on the mysteries of the sun, helping us understand our closest star in ways we never have before. Aditya L-1 is more than a scientific mission. It's a technological achievement for India. This sophisticated observatory, currently en route to the L1 Lagrange point, as shown in this original footage, is set to provide us with an unprecedented view of our sun. Armed with high-resolution imaging capabilities, Aditya L-1 will capture detailed images of the sun's corona and chromosphere, the outermost layers of the sun that are key to understanding solar activity. This information will be invaluable in advancing our knowledge of the sun's complex dynamics, including the processes involved in heating its atmosphere and the mechanisms behind coronal mass ejections. By studying these phenomena, we can gain insights into the solar wind, a stream of charged particles emanating from the sun that interacts with Earth's magnetic field, influencing our space weather. Space weather affects not only our planet's climate, but also our technology. Solar flares and coronal mass ejections can disrupt satellite communications, damage power grids, and pose risks to astronauts in space. Therefore, understanding and forecasting space weather is crucial for safeguarding our modern way of life. Aditya L-1 is poised to contribute significantly in this area. The data it gathers will enhance our predictive capabilities, helping us better prepare for and mitigate the effects of solar activity. Aditya L-1 is a mission of curiosity and adventure, set to enhance our knowledge and appreciation of our star. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for our next video on space exploration, featuring real images and footage of